Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Khan Mahmood. Today we are going to learn how to write amount to text, that means amount to invoice. So to write amount to text you need to have an Excel add-ins. The add-ins name is numeric to text, that is N2T. So please collect these add-ins and then you need to put these add-ins into your Excel file. So how you will put it? I am going to add the Excel add-ins to the Excel file and you please go to subscribe the channel. And of course, if you want to keep in touch with this channel, please like the video. Let's see. You need to go to the file option. There you will get the menu options. Just click on options and you will have this menu. Here you will find add-ins. So click on add-ins and then another page is opening. At the bottom of the page you see manage Excel add-ins. So you need to go there and then browse. What you will add? N2T, numeric to text from your computer. Just put it and OK. Now your Excel add-ins has been added to your Excel file. Like you will write 500 into text. So give the equal sign and write N2T. See, this was your add-ins. Click on the amount, then press the tab button or enter button. See, 500. If it is 400, 400. If it is 330 paisa, then 330 paisa. If it is 50,500, then it is 50,500. So thank you all.